Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today I did a video how to look like me. So yes, so enjoy. So first I chose this really nice white bodysuit. Then I went to shoes and tried to find like a bare feet. Then went to hairstyles and I wanted like a really nice black long hairstyle. And I went to my wish list because I didn't like any of them. So yep, I went to wish list, chose my favorite hairstyle that I like. So their black one there. Yep. I look really bad and fat. I got this really nice cute bun, so I told myself why not try it. So I tried it, I didn't like it. Then I chose some accessories, some heads and skin tones I didn't want a trail, so I wanted to look like a nice beachy look, like she was going to the beach. So I chose some nails and some necklace and earrings and all that stuff. I tried them on and I put some face tattoos. Yep. And yes, I wore some multiple scalers. I have to wear them or else I'll look like a noob. So I found also this tall avatar called, I don't know, Layla and body scaler. So I wanted like a really nice long woman. And then I saw this really nice Kylie Jenner plain yellow suit. So I liked it, so I wore it. So then I liked also this bare feet black one, the tiptoe with pink nail polish. Then I paused the video and did a complete different look, which I really like. So hope you enjoy. Like my video and subscribe, and see you in the next video, folks. Bye.